Hey, it's Alicia, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to move a PowerPoint presentation from PowerPoint to Google Slides. How do you convert from PowerPoint to Google Slides? Well, the first thing that you need to do is upload your PowerPoint to your drive. So in my Google Drive, I create a new folder and I upload the PowerPoints to that folder. Two ways to upload it: you go into New, File, Upload, and you'll get the file from your computer, or you simply take the file from your downloads folder, open up the folder, and drag and drop it, pull it over and drag and drop it in here, and you'll see that it will upload. Now that it's in your Google Drive, you're going to open up that file. And then you're going to click File and Save as Google Slides. Voila. It makes a copy of the original PowerPoint that's here. It doesn't overwrite it. So if you go back to your Google Drive, I will see that this 17 is now a Google Slides, right? Which is what I wanted, but it's also still here as PowerPoint. So to remove it as a PowerPoint, I would have to click on it and then I'm going to click remove and it's gone. Now, the next way to do it is you're going to go to new and then you're going to go to Google Slides and then you're going to click on blank presentation. So we're going to keep that blank presentation in the same folder and I'm going to go to file and import slides. And now I'm going to click on upload and I'm going to drag, or I can simply click on select a file from your device and it will upload it from my device. But here I'm just going to drag the PowerPoint slides and you will be able to see them come in here. And then now I have the option to select the slides or choose all of the slides, which I will do right here. And then it's going to ask you if you want to keep the original theme or not. And then I can import the slides. And voila! All of the slides are in Google Slides. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial video about how to take a PowerPoint presentation and change it into Google Slides so that you can work on it in real time and with your team and all of the other reasons that we love Google Slides. This is Alicia Lyttle. Bye for now.